What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone.
So today's video I am super excited for, and the only thing I'm gonna say about it is I was not expecting the outcome that I got. But I'm going to be reviewing, demoing, and comparing two of the most hyped up concealers recently. So they are the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer and the Huda Beauty the Overachiever Concealer. I do like the name of that because I can relate to being an overachiever. So these are both products I have heard amazing things about. Everyone is just going ham over them, and I'm like, let me see, let me compare them, because I was just gonna do a review on each, and I'm like, no, let's see which one is better. So this video will hopefully help you decide on one of them if you are wanting to try one but you're not sure which one you should try. Concealer is one of my favorite products, so when I find a good one, it makes me really happy. So if you would like to see how these compare when put next to each other, put up to the test, then keep on watching. And if you do like these types of videos, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing, and let's get into it. Okay, so the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer comes in 14 shades, and it is $32 for 0.13 ounces. God damn. That's it? Holy shit. Okay, and it says it is a full coverage, long-lasting, dark circle diminishing, color correcting concealer. So they both say that they're full coverage. They both say that they get rid of dark circles. So let me read the Huda Beauty one to you. And the color I got in the Charlotte Tilbury is number 1 fair. So Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer, is $30 for 0.34 ounces. That's a little bit more like it. I didn't realize what such a small amount there was in here. Okay, and there are 20 shades. I got this shade, Whipped Cream. I like that name, Whipped Cream. I'm about to put some whipped cream on. And it says it is a full coverage concealer, matte finish, a full coverage creamy concealer armed with skincare actives and a cooling Zamoc tip. It says it conceals, soothes the delicate skin around the eyes, and it disguises the appearance of dark circles, redness, hyperpigmentation, age spots, and discoloration with a beautiful luminous matte finish. As far as what I know about both of the products, they are both supposed to be luminous but matte concealers, full coverage. They're supposed to be, you know, the best out there right now, and I want to compare them. And so you can see which one is really better, because I should have looked at the size of this. I wish I would have known you get 3 times the amount of product in the Huda Beauty one for $2 less. Charlotte, I mean, I know Charlotte Tilbury is high-end and, you know, it is expensive, but let's see if it's worth that much. So I will do the Charlotte Tilbury first. And I really do like the sponge applicator. So I don't know how I feel about the Huda Beauty applicator because it just looks like a metal tip. Like, yeah, it's gonna be cooling, it's metal, but we'll see. All right, let me put on the Magic Away liquid concealer. It goes on very smoothly and the cushion is very nice. It's not rough like a doe foot or anything. This color is very good. Liking the color and the coverage. It's a very hydrating. It feels very nice going on, like super smooth. Let's see how it blends out. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe Beauty Sponge and we're gonna blend it out. Okay, it blends out nicely. Ooh, I can see the like luminosity to it for sure. Wow. That is very pretty. I mean, it looks matte like a regular full coverage concealer, but it gives your skin kind of this glow as well. So here is the Charlotte Tilbury, and here is just my foundation. Okay, so now let's go in with the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever concealer in whipped cream. Hell yeah. Do it. Ooh, my goodness. That is full coverage. Oh, wow. You ain't playing around, girl. I really don't like this applicator. I mean, yes, it is cooling, but it's gonna be cold. It's like, anyways, but it does spread it on nice. Well, kind of nicely. But this is full coverage, so I don't really care how it has to be put on. It basically is the color of whipped cream, like white, because that's the color I need my concealer to be. So I'm so pale. All right, let's blend it out. Oh my god, I can't leave the house looking like this. Look how much fuller coverage. I think I put way too much on. I was not expecting that much coverage. Wow. Let me zoom you in. Well, I can definitely tell that they're both luminous yet matte. They both give your face a glow, but girl, look at this coverage. Holy shit. I mean, this is gorgeous, and it's very natural if you don't like to look fake, plasticky. But that's my vibe. Oh my gosh, wow. And especially for, I mean, I really do like the Charlotte Tilbury, but let me set it and then we will go from there. And then I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. Okay, so I have done all of my makeup except for lashes, and here are what both of the concealers look like. So here is the Huda Beauty side, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury side. So they both look full coverage, and now that I have the rest of my makeup on, I don't think it's that noticeable how the difference in coverage like it was before. So now it's just going to be the wear test and see if the Huda Beauty one lasts longer because it is fuller coverage and a little thicker, or if the Charlotte Tilbury one will surprise me and pull through. So I have to go run a few errands, and then I will come back and we will see how both sides are doing. All right. Okay, so I almost forgot to do a check-in on the concealer. Like, I was falling asleep. Clearly you can see my makeup is barely holding on there. So I have had this on for a long time, since like 2 this afternoon, and it is midnight now. So the only thing I did was I touched up with some powder underneath. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury side. Around my nose. It still looks very like healthy looking. And this is the Huda Beauty side. You can see it's starting to break down a little bit there. Well, for the most part, they both held up really well. But as you can see, I'm very tired. So I'm gonna go wash this off, and yeah, I am super impressed with both of them, especially the Huda Beauty one. Alright guys, I will see you later. Bye.